How's it going, everybody? Tommy here with Sinister Productions, bringing you guys another vlog. Today is another Mustang Week prep video that we're going to be putting together for you guys, and it is literally just a simple video. I picked up a few things from Adams Polishes to help me along. Today we are going to be ceramic coating my SVE 350R wheels, front and back. I just actually got done cleaning them, cleaning the barrels and all that good stuff, and cleaning the fronts, washing them off with none other than Adams Polishes wheel cleaner. I can't tell if the lens is getting fogged, but the way the humidity is out here, I apologize if things are starting to get a little blurry. It's a little hot. So right here, I picked up a few things right before Mustang Week, and they did come in clutch, of course. So first of all, the biggest thing, main attraction, the Adams Polishes ceramic coating. Actually, that's the boost, sorry. The Adams Polishes ceramic coating itself, 8 ounce. And then I've got the ceramic coating boost to help cure it. So then, of course, picked up a thing of the tire shine here, some dressing, got some detail spray for the road, and then of course the wheel cleaner. I did pick me up a nice new wheel brush so I can clean the barrels really good. Alright, so this is a really soft wheel brush that they've got. So I've got that, and of course the sprayer nozzles there. I've got these going with me too, of course. Got my waterless wash rags here, my ultra plush rags here, and of course my drying rags. Waterless wash. Got my 2-bucket system going with me as well. I've got my wash and wax, spray wax, H2R Garden Gloss, all-purpose Eco all-purpose cleaner. Last but not least, the leather interior cleaner. Oh yeah, and the VRT vinyl rubber and trim cleaner in case, you know, anybody needs to clean up their stuff. So, all right. So I've got the wheels, the driver's side wheels off the GT350 right now. I'm getting ready to dry those down, wipe them down really good with a rag, and then start spraying the ceramic coat on them and wipe it in, let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm going to put the boost on it. I'm kind of rushing this. I'm hoping it turns out pretty good because you're supposed to let the ceramic coat kind of sit up and cure for a while before you're supposed to actually put the boost on there. But I'm going to go ahead and probably only let them sit up for about a half hour, 45 minutes a piece, and then throw the boost on there and hope for the best. If not, I've got plenty to do it again, so we'll go from there. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and dry those off and put the start spraying it down so you guys can see what I'm doing, and catch you guys in a minute. Alright, so this rag here I've already dirtied up. This is one of my drying rags. I'm not too terribly worried about this rag being dirty. It's really soft and ultra plush for drying. So I'm just going to wipe this down really good, get it nice and dry before I try to spray some ceramic coat on here. Mustang Week is going to be a lot of fun. So apparently we have a hurricane coming in, and that's going to be interesting. It's not going to deter me from going, but if it takes a turn and starts coming up the coast, I'm not going to hang around for it, Mustang Week or not, unfortunately. I'm hoping it doesn't, because I'm really excited to go into my, this is going to be my first Mustang Week. So I am extremely excited about getting to experience that, because, I've never done it before, and I heard lots of, it's a lot of fun and shenanigans going on, and so hopefully that hurricane will not hang around, because that would suck, because I'm actually really looking forward to the subscribers meet on Friday. I would hate to have to cancel it and come back early. So if that's the case, I will let you guys know. Keep it tuned to my Instagram, because that's where I'm going to be posting it. So in case any of you guys follow my Instagram, it is, go ahead and do that now. It is Sinister_Productions. It's spelled just like my YouTube channel. So, yeah. Alright, this one's fairly dry, so I'm going to move on to the next. Somehow it looks like these wheels have gotten a couple marks on them that I have not noticed until now that I pulled them off. Started wiping them down. Alright, so now that we are done drying those off, cleaning them up really good, we're going to take these inside and go ahead and start spraying them down with the ceramic coat. Alright, so first up, I really hope you guys can hear me, okay? What we're going to do is first we're going to do the barrel. First of all, we got the coating here. We got a couple extra rags here that I'm going to use to wipe down with. And first things first, we need to go ahead and remove the cap that it comes with. Comes with its own little sprayer nozzle there. It's got this little red safety here. That way you can close it and open it. That way you can block it from being used, which is really nice. That way you can kind of save stuff, because this coating is pretty expensive. So, alright, so, I mean, you get what you pay for, that's a good thing. So normally they say to apply the spray to the rag itself, which I'm going to do here. I'm going to try that first. If I don't feel like it's going to actually coat it as well as I like it to, then I'll spray it on the wheel and wipe it down really good. So, just a light coating, really all you need. We're going to let that dissipate a little bit. I'm going to take a rag, wipe it over really good, make sure I get it in there real good. I'm going to kind of do an etching, so I'm going to do back and forth, so that way I wipe it in and it comes out real nice and shiny. Alright, so it's starting to turn a rainbow color, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe it real gentle. And again, the purpose with this is because the GT350s and a lot of the Mustangs do it, especially the cars with the performance package wheels or performance package on them. They have the Brembo brakes, and these things create a lot of brake dust, especially on a black wheel. I mean, by the time I drive this thing for 30 minutes and get it to work, and drive it to work and everything, this thing is already super filthy. Like, it's turning brown, and I don't, you know, my wheels don't look brown. I don't want them to look brown, rather. So, yeah, that's feeling good. Cool. Alright, so we're going to flip the wheel over now. I'm going to do the other side. And then we're going to let that set up. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see how shiny that is, but it's pretty damn shiny. So, set that back down, right there. And then we're going to do the front side, just like we did the back. So everything's already clean. I'm just going to spray a little bit here and there. I'm going to go ahead and wipe that down now. I want to use a softer one. I got plenty of these, so I want to use one of these plush ones. That way I can take extreme care not to scratch the wheel. So, I just applied that, the ceramic coating, and also the boost to that wheel there. It is extremely shiny. So I did the inside and the outside of that wheel. We're getting ready to move on to that one. So hopefully we will, I didn't let that actually cure up like I should have, you know, because I'm in a little bit of a rush. I want to get this done, get this knocked out. So hopefully this will be okay. We're going to find out. So we'll find out when I drive it down to Myrtle Beach this week. So, all right guys, hold tight. We're going to knock out the other wheel. And I may end up doing my calipers. So let's see what happens. All right, so I got the other wheel done. There's the one wheel. And bam, look how shiny that is. I know, not sure if it's quite picking up in here, but it is, this thing is immaculate right now. So, all right guys, now all that's left to do is put this back on the car and move on to the other side. Hold tight. All right, that is, the one side is done. It came out really good. Really nice and shiny. It's probably hard to see it. Apologize for that, but I think that is actually going to conclude this video. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. You literally just apply a little bit of that ceramic coat to the wheel. You can either wipe it on or spray it on directly. Let it cure up for about 2 minutes and then buff it off, and then let it cure up for a little bit, and then you can apply the ceramic boost. So, all right guys, I appreciate you watching. 3 more days. 3 more days. Actually, by the time you guys see this, it's only going to be 2 days. So hopefully the hurricane will miss us. And I think this is the last video of Mustang prep that you're going to see, Mustang Week prep, that you're going to see before we actually head down to Mustang Week. So, all right guys, take it easy. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Can't wait to see you guys at Mustang Week 2019. Hopefully the Hurricane Dorian or DeLorean or whatever stays the heck away from Myrtle Beach. So we'll see. All right guys, later.
Everybody wanna play me, everybody wanna change me. Nobody ever gonna phase me. No fake accounts like KD, doing the shit that I want to. Nobody I'll ever run to. Every time that I come, take shots, but I'm